Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable suggested rotations in Google Photos on computer. So how to enable suggested rotations in Google Photos on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there are lots of menu options. Then tap the Settings menu. Well, here it is already in the Settings menu. And here there are lots of setting options that you can use. Scroll down to find the Suggestions menu. Well, here you have found it. And tap the Suggestions menu. Well, it will appear like this. And tap here to enable suggested rotations. This feature allows Google Photos to suggest and apply automatic rotation to photos that are detected as not aligned, so that the photo display becomes neater. So that's it, tutorial how to enable suggested rotations in Google Photos on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.